Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Student Brand. This is your Subhas sir. Now we are discussing about light reflection and refraction. Light reflection and refraction. So let's start. Let's start the light reflection and refraction. So here in this live class, in this live class. So hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Student Brand. So in this live class, we'll discuss about so I hope it is not visible. No. Is it visible now? No way. So now it is visible now. Is it visible now? So finally, with much struggle, so I'm going with so light reflection and diffraction. Light reflection and refraction. Reflection and refraction. Is it visible? Okay, so now we can see here light is a form of energy which gives the sensation of sight. So I'm taking this plane mirror. This is a plane mirror. So this is a plane mirror. Okay. The light ray which is incidenting on the surface is called incident ray. The light ray which is incidenting on the surface is called incident ray. The light ray which is reflecting back is called reflected ray. The light ray which is reflecting back is called reflected ray. Okay. So incident ray, this is incident ray. Incident ray, and so this one is the reflected ray. Reflected ray. So and the line which is perpendicular to the plane surface is called normal line. The light ray which is perpendicular to the plane surface is called normal line. So I am taking here this normal line. Okay, so the angle between incident ray and normal line is called angle of incidence. Angle between incident ray and normal line is called angle of incidence. Angle between reflected ray and normal line is called angle of reflection. And so this line, the angle between reflected ray and undeviated line is called angle of deviation. So this angle of deviation. Angle of deviation. Angle of deviation. I hope it is clear. Okay. Is it visible? Okay, done. So incident ray, reflected ray, normal line, undeviated line. Undeviated line. Okay. So loss of reflection, we'll discuss about loss of reflection. Loss of reflection. Loss of reflection are nothing but incident ray, reflected ray, normal line lies on the same plane. So incident ray, reflected ray, normal line lies on the same plane. So you can observe here, incident ray, reflected ray, normal line lies on the same plane. Point number 1. So incident ray, reflected ray, normal line lies on the same plane. So coming to the second one, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. So now this angle, so this angle is called 180 degrees. Angle of deviation. Angle of deviation is 180 degrees. So like a linear angle we can say. So this is a linear angle. Linear angle is 180 degrees. Linear angle is 180 degrees. So that is include of, so angle of incidence plus angle of incidence plus angle of reflection plus angle of deviation equal to 180 degrees. Okay, from loss of reflection, we can take, angle of incidence plus angle of deviation equal to 180 degrees. So angle of deviation equal to 180 minus 2 angle of incidence. 180 minus 2 angle of incidence. I hope it is very clear, right? So angle of deviation equal to 180 minus 2 angle of incidence. And next one you can observe, one more point. You can check once. So angle of deviation equal to 180 minus 2 angle of reflection. 180 minus 2 angle of reflection. So you can see the bouncing back of the light from the reflecting surface is called reflection of light. The bouncing back of the light from the reflecting surface is called reflection of light. Okay. So incident ray, reflected ray, normal line. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal line lies on the same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal line lies on the same plane. Very good. Thank you, ma. 1 minute.